Oh, hi guys, it's so sunny. Okay, yeah. Gikapoy ko ron guys. Visit ng mga gobernong corrupt guys, you know. Anyway, let's have a break. Let's have some Kit Kat. And look at that guys, it's Hazel-nutty. Labad akong ulo eh. Oh.
Yeah, guys, like Kit Kat is one of my favorite chocolate because I love that there's chocolate and there is wafer. Yeah. And this is hazelnutty and I can really taste the hazelnut flavor. So at least ang Kit Kat wala makurap kay nadyo'y hazelnut ang chocolate. And this one is the Milo flavor. Like it reminds me of the Milo drink in the Philippines. It's sweet, not the Milo here in Australia. It's because walay lami oy sos Ginoo ko sapla. May paning chocolate kay makahatag og katamis ng kinabuhi kan gobyerno sos sige lang tag gipapatig kapait. Sos Ginoo ko Diyos ko Lord.
I'm so sorry.
And contestant number 3, it's the cookie dough. Anyway, guys, I love this cookie dough flavor as well because like there is a taste of the cookie instead of the wafer and plus the chocolate. So yeah, well, I always love Kit Kat. So what could go wrong, you know? So yeah, guys, it's worth it. So get yours now, especially for me. The winner was the hazelnutty. Yeah, it's a new flavor, I guess. Like the wafer and the hazelnut chocolate. Oh, the best combo, right? So yeah, may ni pakanon og chocolate ng gobyerno aron dili mabiter.